Hello, and today I did not know I'd be making this video that soon after I finished the other video I made, the video where I unlocked the cave area and unlocked Fantasy World. But right after that video I made, that person who had all those good pets actually sent me a trade request. They gave me 4 hardcore pink pixel slimes. So that is pretty much how I am doing so good now. Let's see if I can unlock that. Oh cool, I unlocked that area. Okay, I definitely don't have this area. Oh cool, now I have an ancient island. Wow, this is amazing. I have such good pets now. This is gonna be... I'm gonna unlock the next area so quick. Yeah, so I hope you enjoyed this video, and also make sure that you like and subscribe. So yeah, bye.